Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful family haulers on the market, the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Known for combining raw muscle with SUV practicality, the Durango Hellcat has earned a cult following since its debut. For 2026, Dodge refines the formula, keeping its supercharged spirit alive while adding sharper design, updated tech, and improved livability. Let's break down what makes this beast stand out in the performance SUV segment. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat arrives with an aggressive, track-inspired look that screams performance. The front fascia gets a wider grille with larger air intakes, flanked by slimmer LED headlamps that give it a menacing stare. Sculpted hood vents highlight the Hellcat's power, while muscular body lines emphasize its stance. New alloy wheel designs and exclusive Hellcat badging set it apart from standard Durangos, and a range of bold paint options with optional blacked-out accents ensure it turns heads wherever it goes. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat is the legendary 6.2-liter Supercharged HEMI V8, delivering over 700 horsepower and paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powerhouse rockets the SUV from 0 to 60 in just about 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest three-row SUVs in the world. All-wheel drive comes standard, along with performance-tuned suspension and Brembo brakes for confident handling. Despite its sheer power, Dodge has refined the drivetrain for smoother shifts and slightly better efficiency without dulling the thrill. Safety and technology. Inside, the 2026 Durango Hellcat blends muscle with modern convenience. A large Uconnect touchscreen dominates the cabin, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while available Harman Kardon audio immerses passengers in rich sound. Dodge's latest driver assist suite includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist, ensuring peace of mind even at high speeds. The digital instrument cluster can be customized with performance readouts like G-force, lap timers, and boost pressure, keeping drivers connected to the Hellcat's heart. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat remains the ultimate family-friendly muscle SUV, blending breathtaking power with everyday usability. With refreshed styling, enhanced technology, and the same adrenaline-inducing performance, it's a machine built for those who refuse to compromise between practicality and excitement. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and first looks at the vehicles pushing limits in every category.